What's up, guys? In today's video, we're going to play Operator's Life. It's a train game, and I'm going to pick up somebody. Alright, let's start this video. This is a long...
Why does it... This path is so long, like why? I just want to go home. Oh, we just got a mountain saying that there's a train right now. I gotta go now! I don't see any train. Oh, it's over there, it's over there, it's over there. Stop. No. It's just stopping. It's just going, oh, okay, never mind. I thought it was reading. Anyway, it was, yep. Let's go! Alright, now I need to just wait until I get to, wait, what state is it? 163, and then after that go to 159.
Alright, got it, sir.
This stop is,
What stop is that?
172.
Alright, so we got ways to go.
So when we see the map, 172 and then 167, and then after that, 163. Alright, good news. Looks like that's a stop. I can't read it though. Oh, why is it full charging? Oh wait, that's not my stop. It was, oh, I get it now. That stop was 167, so I'm sure. Okay, anyway. We're going into the tunnel! Yay! Oh, wait, that's not the tunnel. Okay. We're about to enter the tunnel! Yay! Oh, that's the tunnel. Oh, that's a stop! That's a stop! That's a stop! Oh, yeah, it is. 163. Yay, we did it! Yay! I got out and...
Alright, our next stop
and
is
the
159.
train is one stop away. That's good news. Oh my god. Come on! Hurry up! Scan it! Yes. Get me here! Get me in! Yes, please. No! Oh, it just stopped. Alright, let's go! Yay!
Ladies
Alright,
and
and
gentlemen,
let's
this train is being
go!
delayed. Please be patient.
I thought I was gonna be left behind just because of a car.
Ladies and gentlemen, this train is being delayed. Please be patient. Stand clear of the closing doors.
Please like and subscribe for support, and peace. Bye.